If you have a faucet that was working normally and now it's spitting water, spraying, dripping, not working right, you don't need a new faucet. You don't need to call a plumber. It's a really simple fix. Most faucets have aerators in them. It's almost like a little strainer, and the purpose of that aerator is to save water, to create an even water pressure, to create an even water stream, and they get clogged over time. And it's really easy to clean them and fix them. Now we have very hard water, and so ours gets clogged pretty often. All you need is this little key. So you just got to look up what kind of faucet you have and which one of these you need. But all this does is simply you put it in here and you'll feel it lock on, bite. It's kind of hard to see, but there's little grooves that key will lock into. And you just simply untwist the aerator. Now, if you do have hard water, it might be a little bit of a struggle to get out. But once you get it out, you're going to see the bottom of it has these little holes, and those holes clog up. So just use a toothbrush, a toothpick, use the water right here, clean that little puppy out. I find that a little toothbrush, typically, don't use your spouse's toothbrush, that's not nice. But an old toothbrush usually works best. You can see as I'm brushing it, those holes are starting to clear out. You can kind of force the bristles in too. Now just reinstall the aerator, and you don't have to crank it down, just snug it up with the key. And just like that, back to a nice stream of water.